Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Aflac Benefits app enrollment steps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the Aflac Benefits app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open your device's App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Aflac Benefits app, press the search button to find the app. Look for the official Aflac Benefits app in the search results. It will have the Aflac logo as the app icon. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews for reassurance. If everything looks good, look for the download button. On an iPhone, it will say Get. On an Android device, it will say Install. Tap the download button to start the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the download is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap the Aflac Benefits app icon to open it. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. You will need to sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment process. Once logged in, explore the app for additional features and benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.